Hello and welcome to Denslet, channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And you know, this artificial intelligence is a different age than the pre-internet age, post-internet age, smartphone age, social media age, etc., etc. Last 2 years, at least for last 2 years, we have seen a lot of changes in our life, in our social life, in our working life, a lot of layoffs, everything and everyone makes AI responsible for that. And in the near future, we'll see more changes to come. Anyway, in this channel, first of all, in this channel, we always try to find a best possible solution of a problem or best possible answer to a question. Today's question is, what is the biggest challenge of making a real life like robot partner? Okay, but before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. If you have already subscribed, many thanks for your support. I hope in the future I will get that support. And finally, although I talk about human sexuality, sex robots, etc., but there is no vulgarity in this channel. I don't promote any kind of vulgarity through this channel. Now come back to our topic. What is the biggest challenge that robotists today face while making a real life, almost real life, like human and robot partner, or we may call it sex robot? The biggest challenge is to make a robot with emotions. We have made a few videos before and discussed there that how emotions can be put together and injected into a robot's CPU, I mean the brain. It's difficult because we don't have any kind of robot partner till now, till today, which has sentience or consciousness or feelings, right? And emotions always involve a lot of feelings. So emotions are complex, first of all. And let me try to break it down into two parts, this video, because you know, if I want to make this video, it will be too long and it will be too hard also for layman like me to understand why emotions are so difficult to process, to put together and inject into the CPU of a robot. Why this is so difficult, and why we say that it is the biggest challenge? Because human emotions are complex and multifaceted, and we don't fully understand how they work. That is the truth. That is the real truth. Because we don't know. Still, we don't know. Our scientists don't know what are emotions actually. What emotions are actually are. I mean, emotions are influenced by a variety of factors. It includes our thoughts, first of all. So it involves neuroscience, brain, experiences, the past experiences. That means a kind of learning, right? And biology, of course, because biologically a person is different from another person always. So it's difficult to replicate the complexity in a machine, right? There are so many factors. There are so many parameters. Maybe, maybe a generative AI have billions of parameters. But if we try to make it emotional, it might take trillion of parameters, because human body has almost 37 trillion cells or something like that, isn't it? So it's very difficult, very difficult. Emotions are subjective, right? Why emotions are subjective? Experiences, meaning that they are different for each individual. My emotion and your emotion always differ, always differs. So each individual comes with different emotions, different kind of emotions. So it is difficult to create a robot that can experience emotions in the same way that we humans do. It's another challenge. And the third and the most one of the most difficult challenges is emotions are embodied. That means human emotions are often accompanied by physical changes. What is that? It means changes in facial expressions. When we are in joyous mood, when we are sad, depressed, in our body language, heart rate, everything changes. When you got emotions, tears come to our eyes, lot of changes in our facial expressions. So biology is also there, neuroscience is also there, different types of experiences are also there. So it is the biggest challenge for the robotists and the most difficult job to replicate these embodied experiences in a machine. After all, at the end of the day, a robot partner is a machine. So that is it for today, because I don't want to make it much longer. In the next video, I'll talk about, despite these challenges, how we can make it happen. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and take care.